Hey guys, Ali here, and I just uploaded I think 3 videos in one day, and this is the 4th one I think. So I'm about to go basketball. Yeah. So. My cousin got hurt earlier. Yes, a little skateboard. Not doing any stupid skateboards. As you can see, I'm watching a Filipino movie. And yeah, let's go drinking, shall we? Last. Alright, posterize. Posterizer. You're going inside my room, or my cousin's room. Yeah, so I think my legs.
Mano, where's the pretzels one you get?
Which one?
The pretzels you get.
No more. No more.
I want more.
Let's go outside, Meg. Garden over there. Garden. The slippers na Meg. Nope. Yeah, where's your ball? What is this? Alright, pass the ball. Alright, me and both my cousins are going to the garden with me. Wait, I have to take them to the garden. So I think I'm going to take a bath later. So I have to take both my cousins. I'm looking around garden. Alright, so in my garden, off to the messiest garden ever made. So outside, you can hear weird things. It's wind. Alright, move Jeb. One hand. And no Jeb, leave it there. One hand. Air ball. Alright. Oh, miss. Jeb, one hand alley-oop. One hand alley-oop. Alley-oop. Oh. Nearly a good pass. Wait, Jeb, wait. Alley-oop, alley-oop. Alley-oop. Yay. Look, video me. Video us. Alright, so I'm about to video my cousin Gerard dunk. Go! See, video me and him playing a game. Gampang kami. Napalada.
Paligo na to. Paligo na.
So, alright.
No.
There you go, that's how you dunk. Behind the back. Oh. Didn't have that one in. Alley-oop! One alley-oop! Block that one. Block that was. Get that out of here. Oh, miss. Oh, it's left-handed, my weak hand. There we go, that's it. So, I'm hammering Jeb right now. 4-0. Well, not kind of hammering, but I suck at basketball, so. There we go. Here he is.
You know these swaps in here, you usually go down next time. It's cool here. Sprinting. Let's go Illy. Come on, Illy.
3, 2, 1 for the win. No good. So, I'm about to take a bath, go to basketball, and think I'll see you all in the next video. I'm going to be uploading another video on the basketball. So, see you there.
Don't dribble, kuya, mommy's sleeping.
My dad just said don't dribble because his mom is sleeping. But my mom is at work. That's why I don't want. So, yeah. Right now watching a Filipino movie.
You play basketball.
Very funny, I think. Alright, so I think I'll see you all in the next video. And, chill out. Welcome. And I say this to you now. I'll send the T quarters out.